So if you are looking for dhoti pants like these, for shirts like these, if you're looking for some three-piece suits like these, some anti-fit shirts, again three-piece suits like these, if you're looking for something in jewelry like this, then this is the exhibition to come to. We are at Beyond Gallery, ITC Narmadani, diagonally opposite chair. And these are designers that have come all the way from Bombay, Delhi and Bangalore, and they are only here for 3 days, today, tomorrow and the day after. That is 1st, 2nd and 3rd of July. If you want to see the collection, swipe left.
Hello Ahmedabad, this is Sanjay from Bangalore, Brand Desires, back again after a 2-month period, carrying our latest collection in modal and kalamkari, lot of fusion wear, watch sets, shirts, my statement dhoti pants, which can be worn in 8 different styles, and a unisex. Lot of western dresses this time.
It's a kaftan
Indian
style
colors
dresses.
and English colors.
Okay.
And these are anti-fit, so these fit all body frames.
So these fit all body frames, they're anti-fit.
Got
Okay.
a lot of quad sets in silk. Got very nice neck pieces to go with them.
Okay.
I have my hand-painted anti-fit cowl dresses.
Anti-fit cowl dresses, hand-painted.
The overlap dresses, which can be worn both front and back. And we cater to all sizes, from small to 4XL.
Okay.
And we don't sell online, no repetitions.
So Desires also has blouses and they have saris. We'll see a couple of their pieces over here.
These are in modal silks.
Okay.
You'll get all sizes and different patterns.
Okay. And the price range for blouses starts from 2000.
Yeah. Basically, the sleeveless ones are all 2000.
Okay.
Then in the sleeves, we have these types.
Sleeves साथ में भी options available है like these. Okay.
And the finish and the fit is very good, and you have margins as well.
So they are,
Like there are 4 inches allowance in
okay.
everything.
And there are some pieces with hand embroidery
Yes,
and detailing as well.
embroidery details.
Okay. Like these. Okay. Let's move on to saris. Saris ma daily wear saris ma cotton share, chinon share.
These are with applique work. These are on cotton with little embroidery.
Okay. And they have some heavy festive saris as well. Okay. We'll see a couple of those.
Hi, welcome to our store and our newest collection from Pehchan by Anjukana. This is an anarkali, pure cotton and for all body types. Thanks. Let's go and see further. These are some cutwork collection. Full sets with dupatta and pants for all body types as usual.
Sizes?
Sizes we have small to extra large for all body types again.
Okay.
And then we have linen kutas from color to plain creams and whites for everyday and for formal wear also. Let's go ahead. These are again cutworks, full sets and tops, cord sets.
Okay.
Full cotton and linen in contrasting colors and
So continuing with the same brand.
Lot of kalamkari shirts, blouses, tank tops, fusion wear that go well with the dhotis,
Okay.
and lot of western shirts this time
Lots of western shirts as well. Okay.
in 5 different colors. Carrying my hand embroidered shirts
Hand embroidered
with
shirts.
kantha.
And these are unisex?
These are unisex
Okay.
and all sizes available. Lot of jackets in kalamkari,
They have long jackets like these. Okay.
very nice for fusion wear.
And dhotis they have in 5 colors.
Dhotis in 5 colors.
Okay.
And then we have a modal shirts,
Modal shirts.
all sizes available. We're having the short anti-fit jackets,
Short
kaftans,
anti-fit.
and the anti-fit dresses.
Okay.
Hi, this is Mitakshara and my brand name is Moham and I'm from Bangalore. I'm showcasing today exclusive silver jewelry handcrafted in 92.5 silver, pure silver jewelry. Each piece is a statement piece. Here, as you can see, each piece is different, all in pure silver. Apart from this, we have some nice handcrafted glass bangles. These you can wear them on formal as well as Indian wear. Then all these are in wood and kauri. Yes. Then here again we have some in German silver.
They have chokers, they have long
Yes.
pieces like these, statement pieces available here, and they also have a lot of earring options to choose from.
This again is temple jewelry. This is made by a designer in
Hi, you can see here these are free-size tops. One I'm wearing. You'll get it in all muted colors and embroidered tops, shirts, and much more.
Okay, and what are those?
These are dupattas.
Okay. So
You can
dupattas.
team match with any of your favorite colored kurtas
And these are all dyeable?
contrasting pants. Yes, these are dyeable, but the threads would dye. Thanks.
Hi, we are from Mumbai. Our brand name is Tanushkas. I'll show you some.
So they have these 3-piece anarkali sets, and different color options are available.
Yeah.
Okay, so 4 different colors to choose from. They also have some heavy Indo-Western gowns with a jacket. Okay, Amapan color options available here, like these. Okay, and they have something in Banarasi as well. You mentioned something with Banarasi dupatta. Okay, so they have these 3-piece sets that you can wear to festive events. Okay, something like this. Okay, and they have some casual wear options as well. Some quad sets. Okay.